Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are coming to you from Germany. So this is the family's very first trip, while my husband is spending a lot of time here on Wolfstein. The European National Baseball Tournament for high school or something is going on right behind me here. We are just little tag-alongs, and so I'm going to show you what we do as we adventure kind of in between seeing him during this week. So here we go. So we stayed at a campground in Wolfstein, which is about a 20-minute drive from Ramstein, and it was called Camp Konisberg, I believe. They had mini golf, there was a pool that was included, there was an outdoor eating area, trampoline, and a couple of parks. They did have amenities there on the right, which was showers and things along those lines. We stayed in an igloo, and it was such a neat experience. Here's a little tour inside. On the right hand side, there was a kitchenette area and dining, which converted into a bed. And so you can see there's the table right there. Our three kids did share this bed, and they laid just side by side there. The first night they had tried the other direction and it didn't work as well, so we just switched it up. In the kitchenette, there are dishes. Sorry, I just did the dishes here. There is a stovetop and a fridge. Underneath the sink, there was some pots and pans and garbage. And then there was more dishes up here, so definitely plenty of things to use for cooking. There are heaters, however, there are not any fans or cooling systems. Here's inside the bathroom, which was plenty of space. The shower was, it was actually a really good shower. The door was a little wonky, but other than that, it was a great shower. Coming out into this little hall area, there were hooks to hang stuff and some hangers, which was actually nice. We used those. And then there was also the bedding area here with the TV. This is where my husband and I slept. Plenty of room, lots of bedding materials. And coming back out that little hallway, you're just in here, and it was a cute little area. We definitely enjoyed it. A nice outdoor space as well. There is a grill. We just didn't use it because it ended up raining at night, which was fine. And as a whole, we really liked it. We did, again, have to bring our own fans because it was very hot. We didn't need to use that communal stuff over there, but that is there if you need it. And there's lots of other little rentals too. The pool was gorgeous and so big. And I mean, you can see a couple people in the far back. They were just doing laps, and our kids had basically the run of the place. The scenery was gorgeous. Right outside, and this is behind the camp right there on the right, there is a trail that you can walk into town, and you can see the little city back there in the hills. It was a very easy walk. This is along a little creek. And there's another path that goes more up on the road, but this is the one that we took on the way into town. And here on the left is where we were going. That's where the food was in Wolfstein. After we had some lunch, we went and kind of explored. There's supposed to be a way to get to the fortress, which we could not figure out. The GPS was not taking us exactly where we needed to be. It said it was right by this church, but we could not find. There was like this tiny little path right here that looked like it was going to someone's garden. It did not look like access to the citadel. So we just went ahead and went back. Everyone was getting hot and tired. On the way back, there is this bridge to cross over the highway so you can get back to where you should be right there on the right. Now kind of center is where you go into the camp. So really it's maybe a 15-minute walk altogether to get into town, and then another 15 minutes back. It's not hard or long at all. So definitely worth seeing and visiting if you're in this area. All right, so that is it from us here in Wolfstein at this cute little campground. They're just deflating. We're still at the pool. It's right behind me. There it is. They're deflating their inner tubes, and we're going to get going. We're going back to Ramstein for a couple of hours. So definitely a really cool stay. I think we would totally come back. And, you know, just a few tips like bringing your own fan, definitely bringing some extra food or snacks if you don't plan on going into town. A big town like Ramstein, I'm kind of unsure of how towns like are situated here, because it's definitely different than France and Belgium and Netherlands, where like the bottom of all the buildings are stores and restaurants and grocery stores and pharmacies, and here it doesn't seem to be the case. So anyway, just a little tip if you're traveling here. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and have a great day.